IT services for law firms. So my name is Gene Mobley with Mitchell Consulting Group, and I want to make a short video today just to talk about IT services in regards to law firms and kind of what are some of the unique things that a law firm deals with and how the IT support vendor, whether that be outsourced or internal, should be able to help support you. So the most important thing in my perspective, and probably in every business, but especially at a law firm, that we have to make sure we do first and foremost is protect the data. You know, as a law firm, you have so much personal, private data that has to be protected, has to be organized in a way that everybody can find it and access it. And a lot of times these files are not small, they're big. So whether you're using a cloud-based solution to help organize and manage this, whether this application is hosted in-house, or whether you're in a hybrid model, the most important thing to keep in mind as a law firm is, what am I doing to protect that data? Because if it got out, you as the partner or the president or the owner of your law firm, you're the one that's probably going to be out of business, right? So what are you doing to protect that data? The other things that can make a law firm unique, a lot of times what I found is with the lawyers, they work long hours. And when they have a problem and they're trying to work on a deposition or something of that nature, at 10 o'clock at night and they can't access it, that's unacceptable to them. So when you're working with law firms and when you're working with companies such as that, it's very important that your IT provider is asking the right questions, checking the right boxes to make sure that you have access to your data at all times as needed, whether it be remote, on-site, wherever they may be. So this is just a quick video on kind of law firms and the IT support that they need and the differences they have. I've worked with a lot of them, very small to very large. So if you have any help or need any help in anything IT services related, I'd love the opportunity to have a conversation with you. I tell every client when I start with them, my initial meeting, we're here to find out if you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. And if we're not, no problem, I'll help you find the right fit. So again, Gene Mobley with Mitchell Consulting Group. Have a great day.